Hey, so for this exercise, you're gonna need a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball. And what we're gonna do is basically try and get at the piriformis in there. Don't overdo this. 3 to 5 minutes is usually good once a day. But take the ball, put it on the ground. You can do this sitting in a like an office chair, but make sure it's firm because otherwise I have seen people actually create a giant hole in their chair. But you wanna take it, put it on the ground, take your butt, put it on top of it. The side that you're on, you're gonna take that leg, lean back and put some weight through your arms, and you're gonna cross. Now you can see that the ball is there. I'm gonna kind of pick myself up with my arms on my other leg, and I'm gonna roll and kind of find that inside, the outside. And you determine how much pressure you put based on how much you're holding yourself up. But just 3 to 5 minutes, you want it to be gentle. You don't want it to be super grimacy. So if you're a person who pushes really, really hard, you want it to be not super intense. But you also don't want it to feel like nothing. So you're trying to find that common ground. And that is rolling for the Piriformis. Let me know if you've got any questions.